it's your girl Nurse Lee, and on my channel I talk about nursing, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those topics, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell below so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you guys from Supernova. I'm just going to be doing the unboxing, applying it on my head, and just giving you guys a brief review on the wig. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So this is the bag the wig came in. Hope you guys can see. In the bag we have wig cap. They gave me a little headband to go with it. And we have the wig. So this wig, this is actually a bob. I think the color is, I think this is the 99J color. It's like a burgundy color. I don't really do this color too often, so we'll see how this color looks on my head. Yeah, I don't really do this color, but I like it. This is why I purchased it, because I like the color. Like I said, it's a bob wig. It is a 4x4 closure. Inside we have the 2 combs on the side and then 1 in the back. And I believe there's adjustable. Yep, we have the adjustable straps as well to adjust it to your head size. I'm feeling a bit lazy, so I'm not going to bleach the knots this time. So let me see if I can put my foundation in it to tint it, to make it look more like my skin tone. Just put my foundation on the closure part. That's all I've done so far. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal it with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. So just spray that on there to seal it. And then we'll let this dry for a couple minutes and then apply it on my head. Alright, so I already have a wig cap on my head. Just go ahead and apply the wig now. And I'm just looking at my mirror that I have in front of me, in case you keep seeing me turn back and forth. Alright, you guys, so this is what the wig is looking like right now. It's giving auntie vibes. So we need to fix this. We need to fix this. Okay. So let me go ahead and just apply some glue just to secure the wig. Yep, we need to secure the wig. Alright, so I'm gonna wipe some of the makeup off of my forehead. I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Glue. My fingers clean. Some Got To Be Glue right at the hairline. Now at this point I would just use a blow dryer to dry it, but I couldn't find my blow dryer, so we're just gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the closure over the glue. Then I will use my elastic band to tie it down. Here for about 15 to 20 minutes just to secure it even more. cut the lace off the front. This wig definitely needs some plucking, so I'm going to try to pluck it while it's on my head. So I just parted some of it, and then I'm plucking in between where I part. Then you go ahead and make another part. And then you pluck in between that part. And you just pluck in a jagged motion. Alright, you guys, so now that I have plucked what I could, I had to pluck the rest off of camera because it was taking a little bit long. So now I'm going to try to create my baby hairs. These baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and tie them down. But before I tie them down, I'm going to spray the Got to Be Glue Free spray across the front of the hairline. So this is after I used my flat iron, sorry, my flat comb, hot comb. That's what it is. This is after I used my hot comb. Then I'll go ahead and run my straightener through the ends of this hair. Put some serum on it. Alright, so I ran the flat iron through the hair. I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band off to put some concealer in the part. And around the front of my hair that needs to be concealed so that it blends a little bit better. But other than that, I think I got this hair pretty flat. I need to find out what length this is. I want to say 12 inches, but I have to double check. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and remove the elastic band. Alright guys, I'm just doing some final touches with my hot comb. All right, you guys, so that concludes this video. You watched how I installed this Supernova hair, this bob wig. I'm gonna include all the details to this wig down below in case you want to purchase it for yourself. I believe the color is 99J. It is a 4x4 closure bob wig. As you can see in the beginning, it was giving me auntie vibes. So now I'm looking like bae. I was able to create some baby hairs in the front. The part went back pretty deep, which was impressive. So I put some concealer within the part, and I got to be glue and the freeze spray to hold the wig down. I created some baby hairs, and I put some concealer in the parting area to define it a little bit more. I also used my hot comb because it was giving me very much so cone head, so I had to really get it flat. My wax stick also helped me to get my hair flat. And then I bumped it a little bit in the front, as you can see, and straightened it. Just ran the flat iron through it. It didn't need too much. Just ran it through it slightly. And yeah, you guys, here's the final look. I think this color looks good on me. I think it complements my skin. Let me know what you think down below, but I feel like this color does complement my skin. This is the first time rocking this color. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And like I said, I'll leave the details and everything down below if you would like to purchase this wig. And if you watched this video to the end, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.